2014 Chevy Silverado V6. Beautiful truck. What we got done on it, it's got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Comes with a third converter, unfortunately. So we went and did something special. We put a KOOKS headers exhaust since 1962, part number R300-10. We'll show you the link in the description for it. There's the KOOKS logo, R300-10, 3-inch to 3-inch. Then we did a 3-inch tailpipe into a 4-inch black tip. Right there, out the side. They always sound the best on these. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Came out really beautiful, really nice. 2016 Chevy Silverado V6. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got the dreaded third converter. Then what we did on it is put a FLOWMASTER Super 10, 2 1/4 tailpipes into 4-inch rolled tips on each side, right there. Double wall tips. There it is. That's how you dual them out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. What a difference. Again? Oh yeah. I like it. That's what the KOOKS exhaust sounds like. Go ahead and back it out. Got a nice little green wrap. Nice wheels. Really nice. It's nicely done. Not overly done. Hope you guys like it. Tell us in the comments what you guys think of the KOOKS exhaust. Straight through design. Much better. Give it gas. Again. Sound decibels. Go ahead and back it up. Not bad at all for a V6. Let you guys hear on the inside.